Okay.
Caitlin, where's your belly? Where's your belly? There it is!
There it is!
Yay!
Yay!
Caitlin, where are your shoes? Where are your shoes?
Yay, shoes! Yay, shoes!
Caitlin, where's your nose? Where's your nose?
Yay!
Good job! Oh.
Oh, cutie pie.
Caitlin, where's your ear?
Yay!
Good job! Good job. Where's your shoe? Where's your shoe? There's
Your shoe. Yeah.
Are you unbuckling your shoe?
Yep.
Let's see. Let's see if we know
Both
how to do
sides.
this. Caitlin, where are your pants? Where are your pants? Yeah, these are your pants.
Those are your pants.
Good job.
Yes, good job. That's your belly.
That's your belly. You know, there's a belt buckle down there. Or a pant buckle. Good job. Caitlin, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Can you punch your nose?
Are we done playing? Where's the...
I think we're done.
Okay, Caitlin, wave bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye, Yay, bye, everybody.
Oh.
Okay, all done.